Okay, here we go. Installed a three-phase. This is obviously at the mattress factory. They're in the middle of moving a bunch of stuff, and it is a friggin' pigsty right now. But anyway, three-phase panel. These are for all the sewing machines. God damn, this guy's good. He labeled. Look at that. Now that guy's earning his fucking money right there, man. I love this guy. Anyway, we don't need a main breaker because that 1-inch feed over there, it's 100 amp 3-phase 208, comes from this 200 amp panel right here. So this 100 amp breaker feeds that whole panel. All those breakers in there are 20 amps 3-phase, so we were able to just sneak by. Anyway, we got to replace this 800 amp distribution too. When I find the fucking time, man, that's going to be upgraded to 1200 amps. And actually, no, correction, it's 600. We're upgrading it up to either 1000 or 12, something like that. I'll have to do a calculation and see. Anyway, so out of the panel, we have our network and raceway of piping. And they go down. They're hung by this right here. It's called a trapeze. So, and I know those pipes look a little bit crooked, but they're not. It's an optical illusion. I went up there and measured them myself. So anyway, so we have 6 pipes coming out, and 2 are dropped off at each station. The furthest to the left goes there. I don't know, that does look kind of... I'm gonna fix that. Anyway, comes down to there, to that side, down under for the machines. These are some kind of sewing machines they use to make the mattresses. And then you have your next 2, which come down, you know, one on each side. These machines here also have a top feed, which goes right to the machine, along with the bottom feed. We're gonna put kick brakes on these, so they're not trip hazards. It's rigid pipe, not EMT, so it'll withstand anything. This isn't a wet location, so we don't have to worry about any ground fault stuff. But that's pretty much it. What? Hey, no, it's cool, man. Caliente, huh, primo? Too much caliente, yeah. No más frío.
No more cold.
No, hell no.
Is it good?
Yeah. Anyway, so here's the last 2, and you know, it's got that one's got the top feed, comes on down. So I know this factory looks like a piece of shit, but the guy's spending money to upgrade everything, and it takes time. It takes time. We're gonna have this place up to shape. I figure 2 guys for a year, and maybe we'll be close. I'll walk the factory with you. So he just put in this these bifold doors, which are kind of nice. The shitheads. This is in a horrible neighborhood, but it's industry down here too. Anyway, he put in these bifold doors. I've never actually seen those. Anyway, there's our feed, because the motor is actually mounted to the bottom of the goddamn... Here, I'll take you out there. Anyway, here's our feed. You know, it's 3-phase 240. Or no, 3-phase 208. Anyway, so the motor is actually mounted. There it is. So this has to be able to open and close. So we split the distance. You probably can't see. So there we go. So we split the distance with our SO cord. One is obviously the control, and the other feed is the power. It's basically line and control. So anyway, it can go down, it can go back up, and you know, hopefully it keeps the shitheads out. So here we are. So here's where this factory starts. Here, I'll take you outside. That's the metro over there. That's big train system in Chicago. That's just one of their substations. So this place starts right here, and he just kept buying all these buildings. So it goes all the way down. He built, I don't know, probably 6 years ago, we wired that building. That taller one over there. He built that one. He built the newer brick-looking one. He had these Polish guys come in and build it. I don't think they pulled a permit on anything. But anyway, and it goes all the way down to that green building down there, past the tall one. What's cool is in that green building, and they're all connected. They cut doorways throughout them all, so you can walk from this side to the other side. And I don't know, I gotta invoice this guy. It's Friday, so I'm not really gonna take you on a complete tour. It'll take a long time. But that green building is it's got 480 in it. So 480 high voltage, I can reduce that into 12208 via transformers and distribute that. That's a ton of fucking power. It's 480 at, I think, 1200 amps. So, you know, I got power to do anything I need in here. So, anyway, this is it. And that's it. YouTube, comment, rate, and subscribe if you feel like it.